Hey, this is Kirby, Electric Fossil Studio in Milford, Delaware, and today I want to do a little guitar songwriting class, if you will, and we'll talk about dyads. Now, I hate the fancy pants musical terms that get thrown around because it makes it seem like it's inaccessible to the common folk. So a dyad is a fancy way of saying they're playing two notes at the same time. A triad is a fancy way of saying you're playing three notes at the same time. I don't know why they use it. I guess it's just you have to call it something, and then if you just say it, everyone's like, yeah, triad. It's a triad. It's nice. Triad is also a power chord, for heaven's sakes. Triad. Oh, the Ramones played triads. You know what I mean? It's crazy. Anyway, so there's a dyad. Two notes at the same time. That's all it is. If you hit the E string and the G string at the same time, you can bounce around the fretboard and hit the different chords. Minor chords, major chords, major chords, minor chords. And they kind of sound sweet together. Dave Matthews, I'll give you a few examples of Dave Matthews where he used this. I think the song was called 41 or something like that, but he did that, or so I used this in a song years ago, 20 some odd years ago, called Guardian Angel. It used an A major, B minor, G major, G major. Chord progression goes something like this. So I thank you, kind angel. So I decided to recycle that song 20 years later with the band Lincoln City, and I was thinking of that song Love and Memories by OAR, and I thought, like, well, what if I did it like that, where it was like eventually turned into the school bells ring, I think about you around that corner, hear about you. So that song became Girl off of the album Grains of Sand. The entire song was written with dyads, just using two notes at the same time. I just didn't leave that technique, except for the solo, of course. But that's something different for you to try. It gives you a different flavor. And I'll go back to the Dave Matthews song real quick. So the dyad that he's using is D minor. So it's D and the F notes together. Sounds cool, rhythmic, has a little percussive feel to it. If I played the D minor chord, totally different feel. Totally different feel. Very European sounding, you know. So anyway, try that out. Maybe write a song or two with some dyads, some two notes at the same time, and maybe unlock something, and maybe you'll discover a song that you didn't think you had in you. So hopefully that helps. If you'd like to book some time, write some songs, come see the studio, whatever it may be, reach out to me through Instagram, through Facebook, email, at electricfossilstudio, or you can email me at electricfossil@yahoo.com. And I'm Kirby. This is Electric Fossil Studio. See you soon.